Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your best paper deal over at Walgreens for the week of September 7th to the 13th. Some of this is going to be done in store. Some of this is going to be done curbside. So we're going to kind of like divide it into two, and we're going to talk about the best paper deals this week. Okay, so I kind of thought that summer stuff would go 90. I was incorrect. It's still at 80%. Lots of stores in rural Michigan. My goodness, they don't even have anything up that it's happening, that the stuff is 80% off. If you might be able to like find a store like this, you pretty much can find everything. So we'll have to wait and see if it goes 90. I'm suspecting it probably won't, but you never really know. Okay, so the first deal that we're looking at is going to be done curbside, meaning you're ordering this stuff through the Walgreens app. Paying for it and then driving to the store and picking it up, and that is lovingly known as a curbside pickup. And you are hitting the box on the left hand side with the green check to make it happen. So hopefully you can put this order in. And for this one, you can do it either in store or online, but I know a lot of us are having issues with digital coupons not coming off. It's been since the middle of last week, and we'll talk about that in a second. So if you are very worried about it, this would be the deal to do as a curbside. So we're going to throw in 2 of the toilet papers and 2 of the paper towels. And we have digital coupons that are both store and manufacturers attaching to both. So we'll grab 2 of each for $20, and they're $5 a unit. And then these are the digital coupons that you're going to load. This first one is a store, and I think on Monday I did a couple transactions, and like none of my coupons came off. None of my digital coupons came off. So customer service credited me like $17. So you'll either have to call or do the chat text thing that they do. It's on the website. And I prefer to do that because I don't like talking to people on the phone. And the lady who helped me yesterday, $17 on my card right away. These are both manufacturers, these 2. The dollar one for the Scott paper towel and toilet paper, so load both of those as well. They are aware of a problem because today during the chat, the lady's like, how much? And they just put it right on my card, which was interesting. Okay, so back to this, just to show you Scott, we have the $5 with the store coupon, and then $2 ones for both of the manufacturers. The code WAG10, I could not get it to apply. Maybe you'll have better luck than I. The total is $20, $5 coming off with that store coupon, little bit of tax, and then $2 for those manufacturers. The total here is $13.90. If you want to use $10 in Walgreens cash, go for it and pay $3.90 and call this a heck of a deal for 4 units of paper. I think it's just exactly what we're talking about to stock up on paper right now. Hey, the balance of the video for the next 3 deals are all in store because they're involving register rewards. So for this one, you're going to grab one of the Charmin 9 counts and then a 6 count of the Bounty. It has to be these specific ones because both of these items have $2 digital coupons attaching. So how exciting is that? The promotion for this, and this has to be done in store again because it's with a register reward, it's when you buy 2 of these, you're going to get back a $4 register reward. So any of these, and then if you don't like the other one, you can get the Mega XL. And then just to show you this 2 off 1, load that, and then this for the Bounty. And we don't usually get this high value coupons for these paper products, so just keep that in mind. So 2 of these is going to be $25.98, subtracting $4 in digitals, pay $21.98. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $17.98 for the 2 or $8.99 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. If you wanted to do this in a $45 basket, the $25.98 would be like more than 50% there, for the basket if you really wanted to stock up on the fancier paper. And I know some of you are just all about like Charmin or Bounty, so this would be a way to do it. But yeah, you're saving on this fancier paper, and a lot of people say it lasts a lot longer. People sometimes really like the Bounty paper towel especially. Okay, the next deal that we're looking at, we're still in store, and we're going to be grabbing one of these brownies, the 2 equals 6, and then the 9 equals 36 of the Angel Soft. Both of these items this week are $6.99. When you buy 2, you get back a $3 register reward. And alternatively, I think there's a Dixie plate that you could grab if you want to sub out the Angel Soft for that. Just an alternative deal. And this is the Brawny coupon that you're going to load. Hopefully you have all the same coupons as I. So load that one, and then the 50 center on the Angel Soft. And then there's another one, like 50 cent off of Angel Soft or the Dixie, that one. So 2 of these at $6.99 a pop is $13.98. We're subtracting $1.50 in digital coupons. You will pay $12.48 out of pocket. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $9.48 for the 2, or $4.74 per unit of paper. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. If you might have register rewards from the Tresemme or L'Oreal LV, if you want to throw those in, by all means do it. And make sure you're really paying attention that, hey, are my coupons coming off as well? And if not, you're going to have to get in touch with customer service. And if you don't have the money, for this extra $1.50, it's really going to mess up your math. You can always ask the cashier to void the transaction and go to the store later in the week for when the coupons or the digital coupons are coming off properly. Let me know in the comments down below on Monday if you were having issues with digitals not working. I went shopping around 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and I had $17 in digitals not coming off, and I was like, ah. Okay, so now we're looking at the Scott's 1000. This toilet paper lasts a really long time if you've never used it. It's a thinner toilet paper, but a little goes a long way. And I certainly have some of this in my basement in my stockpile just in case something really hits the fan one day. Like a pack of this would last your family a month. So for this one, it is to buy 2 to get back a $3 register reward, and it's $10.99 this week. I think the usual sales price is just under $14 for this. And then we have $1 digital coupon that is attaching. So if you were going to do that other deal with the Scott toilet paper and paper towel, you'd have to pick and choose wisely how you want to use this $1 digital coupon. Grabbing 2 of these is going to be $21.98. Subtracting that $1 digital coupon, you'll pay $20.98. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $18.98 for the 2, or $9.49 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. And if you might have other register rewards from other deals, use them so you have a lesser out of pocket, because that $20.98 is a bit hefty. Final paper deal that we're going to look at is with the Kleenex and Viva. They are 2 for $10 this week, and look at some of these prices, $6.99 or $7.49, so not a bad price point. I personally would load up on the Kleenex. That's one item I'm kind of low in my stockpile, and use maybe $10 or $20 in Walgreens cash, maybe grab 4. Why not stock up? You got to use your Walgreens cash sooner or later. It's not your 401k. That's it for this video. If you want to watch yesterday's curbside videos, a lot of other stuff, watch the video linked right here. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.